Hey everyone, and welcome back to Mad Investor. As you know, I like to cover a lot of topics, cool programs, exchanges, and also some DEXs. And this time coming to you with the cool DEX, which is also working with a really big exchange. And obviously for me, that's a really plus sign when it comes to something which, I would put my trust with. And this time I'm talking about the Biswap.org. They are a really cool exchange with a really low trading fee in DeFi space, which is 0.2%. This is something which is really low when you compare it to all the other DeFis out there. And also they do exchange fee reimbursement up to 50% in their token BSW. So as you can see, this is a pretty cool thing when it comes to, their DEX. And obviously, you can just go through the DEX and see more info about it, but I want to cover few important things which really took my attention. And obviously, if you want more videos like that, leave a comment, as I want to see, guys, what you like, what more content you would like to see in the future. Take care.